Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review, I want to talk to you about Embassy. Now, Embassy is due to be released on April the 8th at 9 a.m. Eastern, and it comes from Glinkoski. Now, this is very similar to a lot of Glinkoski type products where the interface is exactly the same, but in this case, it's a membership site that they're saying that you're going to be creating. And basically, you're gathering various types of YouTube videos and putting them on a page and then trying to drive people over to that page. And on the same page, you have various type ads. So we're going to jump into the product pretty quickly. I'm going to show you around the product. Then I'm going to come back to the actual sales page. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about various things on the sales page. So this is an automated affiliate system, multiple traffic sources in one click as usual. Perfect for newbies and veterans, no experience or skills required. You can see who this is targeted at. Beta users getting fast results. Quit your job and earn from home. Travel and be financially free. Private members community and 180-day money-back guarantee. And that's going to be very critical, guys. You need to make sure you got a money-back guarantee on these things. And then apparently the first 44 buyers now are going to get a 30-minute consultation with them. But they'll have sold more than this. This is a kind of late-ish review. And they've already sold all of these out. So let's go ahead and we're going to jump straight into the product and we're going to take a look around. So this is Embassy itself. Now, Embassy itself is, again, the same type of interface. Not really digging this pink kind of surrounding, but there you are. You have a dashboard here. There's always this advert for keyword valve for some reason. Here are all the various purchase membership levels. You can see all the OTOs that are attached to this, usually loads of different OTOs, and I will kind of take you through them at the end of this review. You have a welcome video here, and then you have the tutorials. Now, Glenn's tutorials are always very good. They actually do tell you what the actual software does. My problem is that the software is usually promising much more than it'll ever deliver, but his tutorials are always quite good. So you go through here, it tells you how to use the system, how to use a done-for-you campaign, which is a big deal on here, how to create new campaigns, how to set up YouTube search for your campaigns. Now, one big issue with this is because you're actually kind of ethically nicking other people's YouTube videos, you need to have an API. So you need a Google account, you need to set up your API, lots of different steps in doing that. It's relatively easy, but you need to set up an API so that you can search in YouTube and then gather those videos. So you need to be able to do that. You can, there's a video on here on how to use all the upgrades. There's lots of different upgrades. There's a bonus builder here, and then there's various traffic strategies. Now, I'll talk to you a lot about traffic in this particular product because they always offer the same things, but some of these traffic strategies are actually paid. They have a solo ads traffic strategy and a Google ads traffic strategy. Now, if this is actually aimed at newbies, that's very, very dangerous to start going down that route because you don't understand how paid traffic actually works. The main thing about paid traffic is you actually gather leads on the front end. You don't gather many sales. Now, I use paid traffic. I've used YouTube ads. I've used Bing ads. And I also, I've used solo ads in the past very unsuccessfully. And what you end up doing is gathering a big list of people that are pretty unresponsive, especially if you're using things like solo ads, because it is kind of a very much a scattergun effect where you're just trying to throw your link out to these folks who are getting thousands of links every single month, and they're clicking on these links, and half of them will join your list just to get the freebie that's involved, and they won't be responsive. Now, the thing with paid traffic is on the back end, you need to have a very robust back end, as in you need to have a funnel that actually works. So you need to be offering through email lots of different goods and services to those folks, and then they'll buy on the back end. Not many people will actually buy first off when you go ahead and give them any kind of these offers, which is what I'm actually going to talk to you about in the page itself. Is this strategy that somebody will come across to a page and magically click on your link and go and buy your stuff. It happens, but it doesn't happen that often. You kind of need to warm them up in a lot of ways to get people to buy your stuff, okay? So let's jump in and actually have a look at one of these campaigns. So these are the actual pages you're going to be building, okay? So there's affiliate software review, how to lose weight. Let's have a look at this one. So I just view this. This is a front website of the actual campaign, right? So there is supposed to be actually a page that you go to before this, but it's just jumped straight into the site. It may be because I've already been over to this before. Now, what you're actually essentially doing is you come through a landing page and then you come into this site here, and this is your membership page. Now, on here, there's various buttons here to put your various affiliate links. So you can go to my #1 recommendation, and that will come over to some kind of affiliate link. And here you can see you can join their program or whatever this is, this yoga burn thing. Then you can go to my resources, more area on here to put different types of adverts. And then you can come down here, and this is where you're actually putting your YouTube videos. Now, the page essentially is built by you searching YouTube for various types of videos, and it'll actually build a page for you with those videos on it. So none of these videos are actually yours. And you can come through here and you can actually go through these various videos. You can see that none of these videos are actually related, right? They're all different people, different brands, all selling different things. Now, one thing you will find is a lot of leakage here. So you see, once I clicked that, they came straight over to YouTube, right? Now, that's a big problem because they've already bounced out of your site now, and now they're on YouTube. And you know what it's like on YouTube? Within 10 minutes, you'll be actually watching a cat video, okay? So you've lost them from your site. The other thing, once they come over here, is these folks will all have various types of offers on their own videos that people will get attracted to, because in these videos, they're actually saying to you, go ahead and look at my description, go ahead and look at, down the links that I've got in my description so that you can go ahead and buy my own products. They're not going to be referring you to any of the products on that page that you just saw. So it's a big issue, right? This is a big issue with the method, is that you're going to get a lot of leakage. So if I just bounce back, I want to show you kind of one other, just to show you various types of these. Let's show you the Make Money Online one. You can go ahead and view this. And again, it's probably because I've already been in this site. It's bouncing me straight off to these pages. You can go ahead and build the same kind of page, same kind of look and feel. There is adverts here to Wealthy Affiliate. All of these are, they're just kind of standard affiliate programs. There's no real problem with this. But my problem is with the fact that these types of videos, none of these are yours. These are all different folks who've got their own things to sell and their own kind of marketing. And as soon as somebody starts watching this, the likelihood is they're going to bounce off your actual channel there. Okay. Plus, whatever they're talking about here is not related to this program here. It's completely different. This is a Wealthy Affiliate program that they're actually trying to sell. So that's a big issue to me. So that's the kind of pages that you'll build. Now, going through this product, I'm not going to show you the various page builder type things. It's the same stuff. It teaches you how to build the pages and actually how to put everything together, how to go searching for the YouTube videos. Everything's there when you actually go over to the tutorials. If you go to the products, you can add your own products here. You can kind of promote whatever you want on here. And they've got lots of different products on here. They've already built in for you. 12-minute affiliate, very, very spammy. Don't like that product at all. But they've got lots of different products and lots of different niches. No real problem about that. Yet again, this is kind of what you get for $17, But what I do have a problem with is when you start talking about the various traffic sources. They always give you traffic sources here. And traffic is the kind of lifeblood of your business on the internet. Now, the traffic sources are kind of standard. He offers you some clicks here. Never really know if he ever gives any people any clicks over to their particular site. But you've got to think about, if you take that offer up, what you're going to do next. They have this affiliate traffic lab. Now, I've got a review about this. I'll leave it in the link below. The affiliate traffic lab is just a very simple product that takes a sales page, splits it up and makes it into a video, and you're supposed to post that onto YouTube. But again, that's not going to rank. It's not going to go anywhere. Nobody's going to see that. So that's not going to get you traffic. And this viral news jacker, again, this is a site creation tool. You've seen them many, many times before, I'm sure, that kind of bring together lots of different news stories on one site. But you've got exactly the same issue with that site, right? You've got no way of getting traffic over to those particular sites because they're not going to rank. And, the folks that do that successfully have big marketing budgets, right? You, as a beginner, are just going to build yet another site that doesn't get traffic. So it's very, very difficult. There is some more traffic upgrades here, guys. There is this funnelize. You can go ahead and join that, get more traffic training here. So they have this ebook. You can go through and read this. this is one thing that you can get traffic over to your fantastic membership sites with. And then you got this click here for the 2020 traffic Rolodex. So you see that this complete traffic Rolodex. The funny thing here is it was published in 2017. Now, there is some of these methods that will work. The free traffic methods are always pretty standard, you know, social media, YouTube, blogging, that kind of thing is always pretty standard. But that's the piece you need to figure out as a newbie. One, you need to figure out your niche and understand what you're actually going to be promoting your affiliate offers in. And then two, understand how you're going to get traffic over to those affiliate offers and how you're going to actually provide value to people to make money. That's the idea of affiliate marketing, not to get some random site that you just throw people at and hope to God that they're going to end up clicking something on that site. That's completely the wrong way to go about it. And remember, everybody who visits your site, unless they sign up to your list, which you need to obviously pay extra for. You need to be linking this to something like GetResponse to build up your email list. Unless you do that, they're lost forever. Okay. Now, I've already talked to you about how I think you're going to lose people anyway on these pages, because I think most of them are going to zoom off to YouTube and then end up watching some kind of cat video. I really do. So jump back to the sales page, guys. Here's the usual thing, 1, 2, 3 clicks. Don't worry about any of this payment proof. They do make a lot of money online. They make a lot of money by selling products like this and then promoting other equally poor products. That's what they do, right? Now, you have some testimonials here. Now, I was a little bit naughty earlier. I thought, are these testimonials real? So I've come across and I've actually taken this and I want to know whether this is actually a real testimonial for Embassy, which is what this product is. So if I just come over to my plagiarism checker and I'm going to check this because I want to see if these words have appeared anywhere else. So you can see here, this is a 50% plagiarized, and I want to see where that's coming from. And that's coming from a previous product called Ghosted. So if we look at Ghosted, that's a different vendor. Look at Ghosted and let's have a look at where that's coming from. There you go. This guy here has basically said the same thing. So you can see that they can't even be bothered to write the testimonials. So you can see that this here isn't even a genuine review. And they put it on their page, give it 5 stars. So I can't trust anything on the sales page. It's the usual stuff, guys. So I'm going to go right to the bottom here. So this is worth $14,464, and you're getting it for $17. Now, as usual on these things, there's always a discount. So I go ahead and refresh this page. You'll see the discount on there. There's a $5 discount straight away. So if you are really interested in doing this, you can go ahead and get your $5 discount. Okay. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the rest of those OTOs. Now, OTO 1, you'll see is a unlimited version, which is the version I'm on. So I'm not quite sure what a limited version would be. That's $67 down to $47. OTO 2 is 100% done for you. It's $97 down to $67. OTO 3 is unlimited traffic, $97 down to $67. Now, if they could get unlimited traffic, they would never pay an affiliate to actually promote this product for them. If they really knew how to do that, they wouldn't have affiliates that keep all the money to themselves. So that's going to be nonsense. OTO 4 is the automation, which is $67 down to $47. OTO 5 is the ATM edition, which is $67 down to $37. Remember, the second number is always the downsell. And OTO 6 is license rights, $197 down to $97. So it's a pretty meaty funnel there as usual. And again, the first price is $17 and you can get it for $12 if you take advantage of that $5 discount. So that's a product, guys. As usual, I'm not that impressed with these products. Now, the big issue I see with this is it looks good. It looks like a nice little shiny object. It looks like it's easy to build a membership site. But I think the problem you're going to have is the fact that you have a lot of people that are going to come across that page. If you can drive traffic to it, which I'm very, very doubting if you're a newbie, but if you can go ahead and drive traffic to it, people are going to come on it. And there's too many ways to get off that page to go to somewhere else because you're using YouTube videos. Now, guys, if you're really interested in learning how to build a business online and how to use affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out my link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I've got a 12-step action plan there. It's completely for free, and it's going to teach you everything you need to know from actually creating, building your niche, actually understanding what you're going to be promoting, to creating your website, to getting free traffic. Everything is there. It's completely for free, and then it'll show you a real way to build a business online. Okay, so I hope that was valuable to you. If it was, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell. and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. Until next time, guys, take care.